Hi, this is Pawan. Here we are going to learn about the fixed wing UAV design. And in this series, I will teach you how can we design a UAV in practical way. Okay, so in first we will see overview of the course, and see here we're having like introduction. In introduction, we will see about types of UAVs and application of the UAVs and fundamentals of the UAVs. If you come to second, fundamentals of the UAV, and in fundamentals of the UAV, introduction to the aircraft and aeroterminology, and in third, design of the UAV. Here we will see full design of the UAV step by step process. And if you see here, in first step, we will see overview of the mission requirements and weight estimation and wings aerofoil selection using CFD and wing optimization and fuselage sizing. After that, and here we're having like tail sizing and design of the control surfaces. Up to here we will see the basic design of the aircraft, and after that in fourth section we will see 3D modeling using CATIA V5. Here we will see wing design and fuselage design and tail design. These three things we will design in CATIA, and after that in fifth section we will see the analysis. Okay, CFD analysis using ANSYS. Okay, after that in sixth section, performance of the UAV. Here basically we are consider like climb performance and cruise performance. Okay, for this UAV. And in seventh, power plant selection. This is very important for any UAV or any aircraft, how we can select the power plant. So here first we will see motor selection and propeller selection. If possible, we will see the propeller design also. And last step is stability analysis. For any UAV, we required stability for the UAV to maintain a level flight or stable flight. Okay, here we will see some interesting software like XFLR5. This is also very important for UAV design. Okay, thank you.